Today, I'm putting 3 free AI tools into the ring. So I'm giving them 4 brutal tests: text and material, anatomy and action, logic and spatial, and cinematic consistency. And here's the crazy part. One of these tools performed way better than it should. Let's begin the battle. Our first contender, the Creative Catalyst. Whisk isn't your typical type A prompt to get an image model. It loves remixing, exploring, turning images into new ideas. It's basically that friend who says, I can't draw, but I can make something cooler than you expected. That's Whisk. Next up, the Social Chameleon. Instant access in Messenger, instant sharing, instant chaos. Meta AI is built for speed and for going viral inside group chats. And yeah, the Imagine Me feature is insanely popular for selfies. And finally, the hidden gem. No login, no watermark, no limits. Client-side processing, meaning your images never go to big company servers. A true privacy beast. And because I've explained Whisk and Meta in older videos, let me walk you quickly through Perchance. Go to Google, type Perchance AI. You'll notice 2 models, character generator. AI image generator, this is the one we'll use. Your dashboard is simple, not pretty, not corporate polished. It's like someone said, let's remove everything except the part that actually matters. You add your prompt, add an optional negative prompt, choose how many images you want, up to 100 at once, select your art style, mix styles if needed, pick your aspect ratio, and you're done. Guidance scale. Don't touch it unless you know exactly what you want. Lower values equals creative freedom. Higher values equals stick to the prompt like super glue. And the best part? No restrictions, no blocked words, no limits. Whatever you imagine, Perchance tries to generate it. This is a nightmare test for older models. If a model fails here, it's not top tier for anything with text. Prompt appears on screen. Now let's see how they did. Whisk AI. The Storyteller. Whisk gives the most complete cyberpunk environment, architecture, mood, reflections, and the sign text is crisp enough to feel like a movie shot. Strong start. Meta AI. The stylist Meta went full artistic mood. Soft cursive font, heavy rain streaks, very stylized. It's less literal, but way more dramatic. Perchance AI. The impressionist Perchance said, text? Who cares? Look at this bokeh! Huge emphasis on rain, reflections, and atmosphere. Not much city detail, but maximum mood. And if you think that was interesting, the next test exposes every model's weak spot. AI hates hands. If hands had a lawyer, every model would be in jail by now. This prompt forces them to render 2 hands, interacting with motion blur and studio lighting. Brace yourself. Whisk AI. Best motion blur. Best contrast. It actually looks like a stage studio shot. Whisk flexed a little here. Meta AI. Old hands, warm lighting. Meta turned the prompt into a life story, super cinematic and full of emotion. Perchance AI. Extreme skin detail. You can literally see pores. Lighting feels natural, almost documentary style. But the next test? This one exposes which AI can actually think. Does the AI know who is wearing what, who stands where, which color belongs to which character? Most AIs fail this. Let's see what happened. Whisk AI. Clean, believable wide shot. Everyone is where they're supposed to be. Feels like a real moment captured outdoors. Meta AI. This one went full art mode, painterly style, big exaggerated emotions, less realistic sound but super charming. Perchance AI. Perchance zoomed in to focus on faces and emotion. The dog's confused what is happening look is hilarious. Now, if you're a faceless creator, the final test is the one you really need to see. This test is specifically for people like us, those who want cinematic scenes without showing our face. Let's see how they handled the film noir prompt, Whisk AI. Whisk absolutely nailed the mood, perfect Rembrandt lighting, dark, dramatic, film ready. Meta AI. Meta gives you mood over detail, deep shadows, silhouette, loneliness, more cinematic emotion, less subject clarity. Perchance AI. Full outfit, full environment, more traditional, less dramatic. It's clear and clean, but not as shadow rich. So, after all 4 tests, here's what I found. Whisk AI, best for cinematic shots, dynamic range, compositions with story, scenes with motion plus lighting accuracy. Meta AI, best for stylized lighting, dramatic and emotional shots, painterly, viral style images. Social sharing and quick creation. Perchance AI, best for unrestricted creative freedom, privacy, batch generation, extreme texture and detail. But here's the twist. There is no winner. There's only the best match for your style. If you want me to do a round 2 with even harder prompts, drop a comment and I'll make it happen. But that's a story for another video. See you in the next one.